This is technically called the Greenleaf Trail.
Okay.
But it, you know, in actuality, it's a continuation of the Old Bridal Path, just kind of
Got
to
it.
the top of
Got it.
Lafayette.
And is this also is this the AT here?
Yes.
It is.
Very nice.
And,
Oh, wow.
Its local name is the Franconia Ridge Trail.
Right. Perfect. Awesome.
But it,
Thank you for your help.
after you come past Lafayette, if you see any white blazes after you pass that, you're in the wrong trail.
Yeah,
Got
that's
it.
a good warning for
Yeah.
not turning back if you
Yes, very
get on
good.
the Garfield Ridge
Can I
Trail.
take one of these?
Yeah.
Well, I have a hiking apprentice. I can't believe I did the winter hiking here. It was all packed with ice and snow, and I was coming downhill from this treacherous path. Wow, so much had changed in few months. We have arrived at our first peak.
First?
Smallest one.
Second.
First view.
See weeds come through between concrete. So that's kind of what we're trying to do. And we're using these little rocks because people don't want to step on the little rocks.
These peaks never stop, huh? There's one peak after the other.
Fear, with swords and feeble hands, with dreams to be a king. First, what should be a man? I call them out and charge them all with a life that is a lie. And in their final hour, they shall confess before they die. Brothers everywhere, raise your hands into the air. We're warriors, warriors of the world. Like thunder from the sky, sworn to fight and die. weapons. Tell my family how I died. Until then, I will be strong.
Drone.
I will fight for all that is real. All who stand in.
So Dada, how are you feeling? I bet this is the highest hike you have ever done. Say something.
It was really hard to get up.
Yeah?
I don't think Baba was happy with that. I don't think you were happy that I was always like, ah.
No.
Yes, you were.
So from now on it's all downhill for another 2 hours.
Yeah, just be like a lizard. Like some kind of python. They don't get tired, do they?
I don't know, I'm not Python. So at 5:45 p.m. sun is about to go down. We arrived at the hut. We don't have much daylight left. Either we hike down to the trailhead soon or it will be midnight.
For the next round, we're gonna bring out dinner, or dessert and coffee. So we get a quick coffee couch. So we get a coffee couch, that'd be great. If you would like regular coffee, please raise your hand. And if you would like decaf coffee, please raise your hand. Who's been up since 4:45 this morning? As well as coming up with this wonderful pool party theme. If you don't catch on to that, that was the theme. So O's in recognition. That's concerning. Oh God. Okay.
Ordinary. Well, these here molasses towers look like they're a little broken. Good enough.
Through the streets of Boston.
Beautiful building.
It's so pretty. You know, what if we just throw our trash everywhere?
Yeah, I'm just tired of carrying it. I don't want to carry it any longer.
Exactly.
That looks good.
Yeah, let's keep on going and see what we can find.
Oh,
The molasses tank.
I'm gonna go off trail and run away from the molasses. I'm being loved by the molasses. My dying wish, please.
What's your dying wish?
I want you to go to Greenleaf Hut and go to the end of the tables and get a blue comic card that is located in the tea box and put it in, and give it to the Greenleaf Hut crew and tell them how much I love them.
Yeah, I will do that. Oh no, I hope the molasses Wait, I hear it could also be used to tell the molasses to stop. Stop chasing me. Alright, please slow it down.
No.
What if I bribe the molasses to Alright. Let's do it better.
Yes. No. Are you okay?
Yeah, my friend died.
Wow. That's so tough. I have to admit, it's probably kind of my fault for sure.
Wait, really? What?
Yeah. I didn't really maintain them at all. My bad. Sorry.
Well, can you fix them now so it stops?
Yeah, I probably could. Alright, hold on. I know how to do it. Before I patched it wrong. This time, I'm going to properly fold my molasses patch. I'm going to do that by going once lengthwise and twice widthwise. And then maybe if I had 3 of them, I'd stack them on my molasses, or maybe like the end of my column. On 3 of mine. That'd be super cool. I'll only have one goes for like 3.
That looks really sturdy now, but
No.
I still can't forgive you for your negligence. Is the reason why Grace is currently lying in the cabin.
Sorry.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna sue you then.
Whoa.
Alright, let's take this to court.
No! Not to court.
This is the Honorable Judge Judy. I went to law school. This is so deep. You go first.
Yeah, for sure, dude. So I own one big molasses jug in downtown Boston, and I did a really good job fixing it.
Not
Very
true.
good job fixing
Not
it.
true.
And then it broke because this fellow threw his trash on the ground.
Whoa, my trash on the ground has nothing to do with your negligent molasses patching work.
You threw trash on the ground and the same day it broke. Coincidence? I think not.
Okay.
But what does the trash have anything to do with the molasses tank?
Hey, order.
Yeah, Robert.
First of all, neither of you have lawyers. You're just kind of here defending yourselves, which is weird.
That is absolutely right.
Okay. We're gonna talk about that next time. Let me see if I get this straight. Okay. So you put some kind of like fakakta fix on this molasses tank, and then it like spilled everywhere, and then it killed a couple people, and it was pretty bad. And you didn't pack out your trash.
Yes, which I'm sorry for, but let's be honest. One of these things is worse than the other.
I would say so.
I think,
for sure.
Okay.
Glad we're on the same page here, Mr. Molasses.
Yeah, I think we are the same.
Stop bickering. Oh my god. Okay. So, the only thing we can do is bring it to a jury of your peers. Okay? I think we have about 48 piers right here. So, which is way more than 12 and therefore better. So, if you think that the molasses flood was the worst crime, clap your hands. Okay, that was weak. If you think that not packing out your trash was the worst crime, clap your hands. The people have spoken. Okay, so I think the punishment should fit the crime. I think that you should have to give all of your life savings to the Greenleaf Hut crew. I hear they really depend on your life savings to continue existing. So you can just.
That's all I have. I gave the rest of it to the molasses as a bribe.
Well, 20 is pretty good. You can just put it in. Yeah. All right. Are we all happy? We all pretty good? We
Another
feel okay
win
about
for
this?
big molasses. No.
Yeah. Okay. I think I've done my job. This seems all right. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that.
I'm happy with this.
After an unexpected stay at the hut, next morning, 8 a.m., we're hiking down to the parking lot.
Trees of Greenland, red roses too. I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. See friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you.
We made it to our starting point of the loop. Cold water, ice water therapy. So we're finally heading back to our parking lot. The whole shuttle is for us.
Everybody gonna see it to yourself. Make the cooler enough for help the auto. And when you make it cooler enough, you know, bono there.